Have you ever bought a beautiful teapot based on how it looks on a shelf, only to discover at a gathering that the spout drips or the tea goes cold? While many of us focus on aesthetics, did you know that entertaining with tea is a specific use case that requires a completely different approach? In this video, we'll guide you through finding the perfect teapot for your entertaining needs, so your guests are always satisfied. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring the best teapots and tea kettles for entertaining. We will break down the main teapot types and how they actually perform when there are people around your table. Let's get started. First things first, understanding your specific needs. When planning your tea gathering, consider the type of tea you're serving, the number of guests, the pace of the occasion, and the atmosphere you're trying to create. A beautiful pot just isn't enough if it runs dry after 2 cups or leaves your guests with lukewarm drinks by the time the third person is served. By matching your materials and sizes to the event, you can easily meet the expectations around your table and create a flawless experience. Second, consider ceramic for everyday hosting. Ceramic is incredibly forgiving and widely available in every size and style, making it ideal for casual entertaining. A glazed ceramic pot in a warm tone pairs naturally with almost any table setting and brings a relaxed energy to a weekend brunch. It typically retains heat for roughly 20 to 30 minutes, which is perfect for one unhurried round, with 4 to 6 guests from a standard 900 milliliter to 1.2 liter pot. If your conversation stretches longer, a simple tea cozy can easily extend that window by another 15 to 20 minutes without any extra effort. Third, prep your ceramic properly. One crucial habit worth building is to always rinse your ceramic pot with hot water for 30 seconds before brewing. Ceramic absorbs cold quickly, and skipping this step will drop your brew temperature by several degrees right from the first pour. This is especially important for preserving the delicate flavors of green or white teas. Thankfully, ceramic is wonderfully non-reactive, meaning you can easily switch from black tea to herbal blends without any lingering flavor carryover becoming an issue. Fourth, set the pace with cast iron. If you are planning a slower, more intentional gathering, cast iron teapots are your best choice as they hold heat longer than any other material, typically for 45 minutes to an hour. This single quality keeps the table full without interruptions, making it perfect for a long Sunday afternoon or a dinner party that flows right into tea. Placing a cast iron pot on a wooden board signals to your guests that the moment is intentional, adding a subtle but beautiful visual weight to the atmosphere that lighter materials simply cannot match. Fifth, practical tips for cast iron. Before buying cast iron, always look for an enameled interior so you can brew directly inside without introducing a metallic flavor to your cups. You should also consider the weight, as a filled pot in the 800 milliliter range can weigh close to 1.5 kilograms. Because of this, a 600 to 800 milliliter cast iron pot is the absolute sweet spot for a table of 4 to 6, ensuring the weight remains manageable while you are reaching across the table to pour for your guests. Sixth, making the brew part of the show with glass. Glass teapots are built for moments when the visual character of the table matters, such as a baby shower, a garden lunch, or a styled afternoon tea. They beautifully showcase blooming teas and deeply colored infusions, like a vivid crimson hibiscus or a color-shifting butterfly pea flower, acting as an instant conversation starter. Just remember that glass loses warmth faster than any other material, so it requires brewing to the table and serving promptly rather than leaving it to sit for extended periods. 7. Choosing the right glass material. When shopping for this stunning centerpiece, make sure to look specifically for borosilicate glass rather than standard options. Borosilicate is designed to handle thermal shocks safely, allowing it to transition from a cold pot to holding boiling water without cracking. While glass introduces a slight logistical challenge regarding heat retention, nothing else comes close when presentation and immediacy align perfectly for your special occasion. 8. Elevating formal tables with porcelain. Porcelain is the ultimate material of occasion, offering thin-walled, refined, and elegant proportions that signal a truly thoughtful gathering. It is fully non-porous and flavor-neutral, which makes it the absolute best choice for hosts who want to rotate between black, green, white, or oolong teas in the exact same pot without leaving a trace behind. Because fine pieces can be fragile, it is best to reserve your porcelain pots for smaller, seated celebrations where the pace is unhurried and handling is careful. 9th, managing high-volume hosting with stainless steel. For large family gatherings, buffet setups, or office environments, stainless steel is the most practical and durable option available. It thrives under heavy use, asks very little in terms of care, and boasts strong heat retention, especially if you opt for insulated double-walled models. A large double-walled stainless steel teapot over 1.5 liters is worth the slight price premium because it keeps the outer surface cool to the touch, even when the interior is holding near boiling water in a crowded hosting environment. 10th, mastering the backstage setup. The best role for a stainless steel teapot is backstage on a side table or serving station, rather than sitting directly at the center of the table. By letting the steel pot keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes, you allow the visual character of the occasion to be carried by the cups, the setting, and the food. This strategy ensures the experience at the table feels completely effortless, which is what good hosting always looks like from the outside. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.